In a study entitled The Effect of Academic Stress on Academic Performance, the following are rationale. The study aimed to determine the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB. The main problem. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB? Inferential t-test. Specifically, the researcher sought to answer the following question. Number 1. What is the profile of respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Number 2. Which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Number 3. How are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Number 4. Is there a significant difference in academic performance of grade 10 and grade 9 students under eustress and distress? Number 5. Is there significant difference in academic performance in terms of academic stress? Number 1. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB? Findings. According to the index, the respondents in eustress are 42% very satisfactory, 34% satisfactory, 14% outstanding, 10% fair satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectation, while respondents in distress are 43% very satisfactory and satisfactory, 8% outstanding, 6% fair satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectation. The total number of respondents is 160. Conclusion. The majority of eustress respondents rate their academic performance as excellent, although the majority of distress respondents are pleased with both very satisfactory and satisfactory response. Frequency and percentage distribution respondents terms of academic stress. Number 2. Which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Findings. The average weighted mean of academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students in terms of eustress is 85.3, while the average weighted of academic performance in terms of distress is 84.975, as shown in Table 8. Conclusion. Eustress is the most common form of academic stress, while distress is the least common. Frequency and percentage distribution of respondent terms of academic stress. Number 3. How are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Findings. The table measures students in grade 9 and grade 10 based on their level of academic stress. 43% of grade 9 respondents and 57% of grade 10 respondents reporting experienced eustress. Respondents in grade 9 and grade 10 make up 62% of those in distress, while in grade 10, respondents make up in 38%. Conclusion. The academic stress levels of students in grade 9 and grade 10 are high. The words eustress and distress were used to compare them. Frequency and percentage distribution respondents terms of academic stress. Number 4. Is there a significant difference in academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress and distress? HO. There is no difference on academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. HA. There is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. HO. There is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Findings. The critical value is lower than the estimated value. Conclusion. Accept the null. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 9 respondents with eustress. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 10 respondents with eustress. Number 4. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress and distress? HO. There is no significant difference in academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. HA. There is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. HO. There is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Findings. The t-value calculated is less than the critical value. Conclusion. Accept the null. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 9 respondents with distress. Weighted mean of the academic performance of grade 10 respondents with distress. Number 5. Is there a significant difference in academic performance in terms of academic stress? HO. There is no significant difference on academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under eustress. Findings. The rule is to reject the null hypothesis if the t-value is less than negative 12.71 or greater than 12.71. In this case, 1.27 is the computed t-value which falls within the accepted region. Conclusion. In terms of academic tension, there is no discernible change in academic success. The reason for this is that the null hypothesis is accepted. Frequency and percentage distribution of the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 respondents in terms of academic stress.